Twinkle Phoenix here, and welcome back to Alice in the Country of Clovers, the Cheshire Castles, Volume 4, Chapter 11, where last we left off, Peter stopped Alice from entering the door, and Boris has, once again, lost Alice. Because, I don't know, they keep losing each other. Let's see what happens next. Peter, I won't forgive you. Alice, please. You know what lies beyond this door. And yes, you think you should explore. Again, still no idea why he's rhyming. Where would the doors have taken you if I hadn't stopped you? The amusement park? The clock tower? Or... You'll stay in this world. You'll stay and be truly happy. If you don't find happiness, I won't forgive you. Yes, totally, Peter. Yes, totally. Good, he finally left. Yes, and none too soon. I can never understand that man. Not that I'd want to. I'd better work, right? I don't want you to yell at me. I don't want you to leave. I really don't. So, why am I here? I tried to enter the room of doors, and I'm still dreaming about my sister. Again, you're having doubts. The cat isn't enough? That's not true. I love Boris. Do you? Or are you trying to convince yourself of that? Don't limit yourself in choice. Must be true. The cat may not be the right lover for you. And there is proof of that, Alice. Despite all the time in this world, you haven't changed. And you still can't forget your previous home. And he's not by your side at a time like this. Perhaps the Cheshire Cat doesn't need you. Yes, you see. And you agree. What? Peter, shut up. No, I want Boris. Can you still say that after he shows his true self? You're a smart woman, and you know that you're having doubts. And you worry how others see you. That's why you can't turn a blind eye. Don't you want to know, Alice? I can show you. The true colours of the Cheshire Cat. Wait, where are you dragging me? You will see it come. See what? Yes, this is your room. It's alright, I've confirmed it. Confirmed? I don't get you. Huh? No! Oh, stop, Alice. You can't enter this room right now. This isn't funny, Peter. I should hope not. Please stay quiet and listen. She's really late. Where the hell is she? Screw this. I'm gonna go look for her. Spreading fleas in a room like a pathetic stray, Damned cat! What? The... PM? What is this? Did Peter do this? No, Alice, you can't. Huh? What the hell? This is Alice's room, Dick. Yes, but it's black in grey, so I'm cleaning the place. What? Crap, as usual, he's out of his mind. Wait, Look, I don't hate Peter. Damn! You won't fight, you'll die, you know. No, I just thought of something. It would break Alice's heart if I killed you. I'll keep that in mind, that she is kind. But it is odd to hear you worry. And I will not show mercy. Big surprise. But you're definitely not worth her tears. You're right. And now you've shown your true colors. Huh? Nightmare! More shots. You can't go in yet, Alice. I have to stop them. That is him. Nightmare, what are you? Where are you? Close, but far. Then the reason I can't get into the room? I'm blocking you. I can do that here. It's my domain. Lift the block now. Stop here, please. Relax, okay? They can't hear you. What? Why did you do this? I already told you. Not all secrets are malicious. Not malicious. I can hear them shooting at each other. She's got a point. Not malicious. No. Just deadly intense, people. Deadly intense. True colors? Of course. You are a member of this world after all. You may think you've changed, but you're just as you were. A beast of this land. And different from her. You don't understand, Alice. You can't. Shut up. And this fundamental gap means you will never change her. Get out of my face, asshole. I don't care. Whether I can change Alice or not, I'm never letting her go. Presumptuous, aren't we? Alice has doubts, you know that. Just a moment ago, she tried to open the door in the tower. She was alone. Where were you? That's not all, Cat. Your influence may be ruining her. No, you're just making stuff up. No. Would I lie about Alice? She's dreaming about her older sister again. Alice has a strong sense of responsibility, but she carries guilt. I don't know how much the nightmare has told you. The guilt for her old world is crushing her. While that remains, she'll never completely forget her world. That's why I... No, you should have ensnared her completely. She may seem happy with you right now, but that happiness is only deepening her guilt. Oh, come on, Peter, can't blame him for everything. You can't understand what's behind her regret, and she doesn't love you enough to forget. Shut. You are defiant, a half-hearted pet. We're all just pieces on the board, no matter our actions. We can't become like her. Shut up! Shut up! Do you understand now, Alice? This is the true nature of the Cheshire Cat. Lord Nightmare. I'm working, look. Look at me. Sir, I'm sure you know this, but Don't worry, I know my position, Grey. Even during my assembly, I'll stay neutral to all fights. To fights There. Please think of your exhausted employees, sir. You really are. I think the White Rabbit changed the most. And outside it makes all the difference. And here's one cup of tea. I'm glad you're having fun, but keep moving your hands. You can work while you're ranting. I know, but I need breaks. Unpredictable, always interesting. Listen, Alice, we have our own limits. And even a roll holder. Almost there! Ultimately can't hold an outsider down. Not completely. More importantly now, we got a mountain of problems. Alice! I was just, Get off, you sir! You sir, there are microbies on you! Boris! Alice, my love! That cat he ambushed me with his gun. That's my line. No woes I don't understand. Why would you give that trash your fair hand? Bastard! I don't care. I still love him. Huh? I know he can get violent, and sometimes he clings to me in public, and he's jealous constantly. We don't have to be perfect. I'm already in love with you. But he doesn't have to be perfect. I'm already in love. I even love Boris's Falls because I love all of him. Holy bejesus, she finally said it, folks! The moment of truth, she finally got to admit it all! Oh, God. Right, let's continue on. Took a bloody long time, too. Jeez Louise, this girl takes forever.
Well then, Boris fans, and of course Alice fans everywhere, we finally got full-out compassion from the girl that she finally openly admits that she loves him for all of him. Took her a couple of goddamn books. But we got there. We got there, people. We got there. You're probably curious as to why I stopped it there, because the next part is going to be on tomorrow. Because I'm having to share the computer with my stepdad. And he actually limits me to how much I can record. Or, you know, spend time up on here. Which isn't fair. I would rather get a complete full chapter up, but no, I have to improvise. That's why, like, you probably noticed that my playthrough that I recently done for Corpse Party, that was like split up in sections as well. This is really annoying. I really would rather have my laptop back. If you guys have any questions about the Alice mangas or about the characters, feel free to ask me. I'll be up on Twitter as well if anybody needs me. And yeah, we'll be reading more of Boris tomorrow. And as I said, I'm going to try to get a manga chapter up a day. But I really would rather do the chapters longer. But hey, I've got to work alongside my dad here, my stepdad. We don't get on very well. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed the chapter regardless. And I'll see you all tomorrow for another reading of Boris's manga, where we'll obviously get to see what happens next. After that full-blown confession by Alice. How will Boris take it? And how will Peter take it? I mean, that's the true nature of the Cheshire Cat. He won't shoot you. I love this book. This is one of my favorite books. Anyway, bye-bye guys. See you next time. Again, sorry for the pause in this chapter. Sorry that it's not the full chapter. It's sad. I have to break it up.